Okay, right, let's begin. So what do we have here? Some AVCO and FIFO business. Now we know with AVCO, the point is to, if you like, mix everything up together. And now what's interesting about this question is that if this question had said to you, for example, oh, we're actually selling stuff on December the 5th, right? We're issuing on December the 5th, you would sort of find the average of these two first, and then do the issue, and then whatever is left you then add to this, right? So maybe you can find an example where you practice that. But this question is slightly fair in that the issue takes place, the issue takes place after all these goods have come in on December the 11th, right? That's when the issue happens. So we can somewhat, just being what it says, the average, we can add that total cost together. So we can say 4480 plus 5280 plus 2704. And then we can divide all of that by the quantity to find this sort of average cost. 280 plus 320 plus 160, right? So let's do that, right? So we have 4480 plus 5280 plus 2704, which is equal to 12464 divided by 280 plus 320 plus 160, which means that's divided by 760. So we have 12464 divided by 760, which is £16.40. So £16.40 becomes our issue cost, right? So the question says that you've issued, so it doesn't matter if I've issued 350, it simply will be 350 times £16.40. So, right, so 350. I get 574. I get 5740. 5740 is my issue cost. 5740, and that's this one. All right, right. So if I was using the FIFO method, the FIFO method would say to me, okay, let me just clean this all up. FIFO method would then say, well, if you're using the FIFO method, we're getting rid of what comes in first. And then we kind of work downwards. So we sort of say, listen, this came in first. So we're going to get rid of this stock first. And then if we've gotten rid of 280 because it's first in, this comes in first. And so we get rid of this first. And then the next, we want 350 units to go to production or whatever it is. So we need another, I suppose the difference, yes, which is 70. So we need another 70 from here. So in effect, I need, those units would have cost, of course, 280 at £16 because that's the cost right there. And these 70 units would have cost £16.50. Right? So we have 280 times 16, which is 4480. And then we have 70 times £16.50, which is 1155. 1155. So if you have that, 4480, you have a total of 5635. So your FIFO issue is valued at 5635, and that's that one. So of course you have inventory left. So because it's all mixed up, this is quite nice as far as the AVCO is concerned. It simply is a question of, well, how much inventory do we have left? And all of it, of course, will be valued at £16.40, which we calculated earlier on, didn't we? So let's just quickly do that. And so we have so 280 has left. Then we have 70 leaving from here. So we have, I mean, it's up to you. You could say, oh, in total we had 280 plus 320 plus 160. So let's find what that total is. So 280 plus 320 plus 160, and that's 760. That's what you have in total. You then get rid of 350. So the question is, you have left 410 units in inventory. So at £16.40, yes, this is AVCO. At £16.40. 410 units will be valued at 6724. So multiply the two together, £16.40, you will get 6724. 6724. I mean, I know I have 410 left, so that's kind of good for me. If I'm using for the FIFO method, well, I have these 160 left, definitely. And I only let go of 70 from here, didn't I, from this batch? So that means that's 320 minus 70, which is 250. So I have 250 from the December 5th batch, and I have 160 from the December 10th batch. So that's a £16.50. That's a £16.90. So I have 250 times £16.50. So this is 4125, and this is 160 times £16.90, and then you have 2,704. Add those together, 4125, and you get 6829. 6829. 6829. Great stuff. And that's question 1.